So good day everyone, I am Chesame C. Sawanan, and today I will discuss about how to properly retrieve your data that have been deleted. So first we will go to the Explorer file. So I'll just select a file that would be accidentally deleted, or just an example. So this one I will delete this. Here you can see that the file is already deleted. Then step 2, just go to recycle bin, just double tap it for you to open, and then simply search the file that you want to retrieve. So here we can see the Lugo PNG file. So just right click this one and then just click undo delete. So step 3, just exit this one and then let's go back to the folder where we can see again our deleted file. So here we can see the logo PNG. So that's all you need to do for you to retrieve your file. So just note that this will be used if you you are deleted the file and not permanently deleted. That's all. Thank you for watching.